how to purchase a boat in a non-confrontational way. Look, purchasing anything but cars, boats, houses can be a stressful time. So being in the boat business for as long as I have, I would like to give you 3 easy steps that I've seen work. First step, find 3 manufacturers that you're most interested in. Second step, find 3 dealers and set up the time and appointment with that dealer to do it all in one day, and give each dealer about 1.5 hours to 2 hours of their time. Third step is find an environment that you're away from the dealer, away from all distractions, where you, your spouse, your family, whatever, all parties that's involved, that you can just sit there and have a fair discussion. And what you're going to do is that you're essentially going to have price determination. You're going to have, how did the boat ride? How is the salesman? How is the dealership? What's the reputation of the service? What's the ease of being able to get to the location? Because what's very difficult to display to a customer is that you may find a dealer that's 200 miles away, but how are they going to get to your boat during the summer months when you're using it the most? So what you will accomplish is that you'll find a way to negotiate a boat and find a way that you can approach a dealer in a manner that, is this really truly your best price that you've offered? And then that gives you the assessment, because the one thing I missed was making sure that you tell the dealer when you set up the appointments that you're not purchasing that day. You're not. But what you want is a fair quote, a fair price, but that you will get back with them and be respectful and get back with them, because that's the most important thing being on the sales side, is give them the answer that they need to know is, hey, we love you, we appreciate you, we thank you, but we're going to go a direction. That way they're not left out there kind of hanging out with, are they coming back to buy a boat? But that gives you the power to understand that you told them up front that you're not purchasing that day, but you will let them know. And you'll get a fair shake, you'll get the best experience, because the salesman will know that you were upfront with them, and then that gives you the power to sit there and go back and find a kind of a neutral environment to make a clear decision. And that's a very short video. There's a lot more details that will obviously be involved, but I think those 3 steps will help you in your purchase of your boat. And I hope you will visit us here at Singleton on Lake Martin, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks.